What's up guys, it's Fred again, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be covering a ridiculously easy way to create near viral YouTube Shorts videos. And as you probably already know, the brand new YouTube Shorts Fund is a way to make money on YouTube without having to have any subscribers on your channel. And so with that, before we begin, do me a quick favor by very gently smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and you can also consider subscribing to my channel for more cutting edge videos about making money online and digital entrepreneurship just like this one. Plus you can check out my new investing channel with YouTube Shorts as well. And with that, let's get started with the video. By the way, I'm actually giving away 2 copies of my new YouTube Plus e-business course, and all you have to do is to look for the secret question that'll come up sometime in this video and answer it in the comment section below to enter the giveaway. So first of all, I just wanted to quickly mention that I have indeed covered quite a few different types of YouTube Shorts as well as just YouTube in general, tips and tricks for creating videos and monetizing your channel. So you can definitely go and check those out, and I recommend doing so in addition to watching this video. But anyhow, for today's example, I'm going to show you a channel called Market Chasers, which actually has been tremendously successful with extremely simple YouTube Shorts.
It'll be easy as 1, 2.
And not only that, but I've also figured out a cool way that you can monetize this type of channel that I've never covered on my channel before, so be sure to stay tuned for that towards the end of today's video. Now this particular channel is in the personal finance and investing niche, and you can actually create similar styles of videos in different niches as well, and I'll show you where you can find content to easily base your videos off of. But if you take a look first at this channel, we'll see that first of all, his shorts are actually very short, even in terms of YouTube Shorts, which can be up to a minute, but his are mostly just about 15 seconds or less, or at most 20 seconds even. And they're also, not to mention, very easy to create, because all you really have to do is to not even film anything at all. You can basically just take a few screenshots, make a few simple optional edits if you want to, and also do a voiceover, which if you don't actually want to do a voiceover, there's also the alternative of using TikTok, if you have TikTok, to do an automated voiceover, because it actually has that feature. If you just punch in text, it'll actually do automated voiceover for you. So it's a very convenient way to create videos as well, but it's really up to you. And indeed, if we look more closely at one of their videos, like their most recent one, which was just posted a day ago, we'll see that it's actually very simple. And well, first of all, it does have a very eye-catching and dramatic headline, and I'll show you exactly where you can find news pieces like this to base your content off of very easily. And if we just look at the video creation itself, it's just screenshots, basically just one screenshot with some text that optionally hovers through and arrows that you can easily add as well. And then if I just scroll through the video, it's just it just goes to another image that pops out with the person's gains from that stock. And by the way, the topics they're covering with their videos are actually stocks, right? So it's basically crazy stories of people who have gained or lost a lot with certain stocks. And they especially make sure to highlight really popular stocks, like AMC is one that's been really popular lately, and there are some other ones that I'll show you later as well. But you basically want to chase some of the headlines so you'll be able to get more searches and more probable views on YouTube. And before we move on to a quick demo of how you can easily create videos just like this or even in different niches, let me first show you a website where you can actually find news pieces to base your own videos off of. And the main website I want to highlight here is called Reddit List, which actually ranks the top forums or subreddits of different topics, right? So you can actually here find or base it on whatever types of content you enjoy making, and you can actually find subreddits or forums, right, that are related to your own niche. But another way is to just search up, for example, whatever in your niche. So on the top left, there's like a search bar on Reddit List, so you can actually also find related subreddits for that. And once you find subreddits that you might be interested in, such as, well, world news is actually a pretty good general one, so you can definitely try out world news as well, because people will often be searching for and wanting to keep updated with this type of stuff. Or you can find other types of sort of viral content or news updates to base your own videos off of. But for our example for today, which is primarily based on spicy investments and trades, we're going to be going to an infamous subreddit called Wall Street Bets, which you have probably heard of if you've been reading up the news over the past few months, because it has been in a lot of headlines. And the great thing about Wall Street Bets for these types of videos is that you can very easily find crazy gains or crazy losses, because those types of posts will often be uploaded to the top of Reddit, right? So again, the great thing about Reddit is that the most popular, most viral posts, or ones with the highest potential, they'll be conveniently voted to the top of the subreddit, right? As you can see, this post here has 15.6 thousand upvotes. So the ones with the highest upvotes will typically be towards the top, right? And also the newest post. So it's sort of sorted in a way like a search engine where you can find some of the best posts at the very top. While I do realize that some of these are not necessarily like of stock gains or losses, right? But if you just scroll through, take some time and scroll through the subreddit or whatever subreddit you're interested in, you can easily find posts just like this one, right? So if I just open up this one right here, we'll see that this person has lost $17,000, right? But it's not trading a particular stock per se, so we don't necessarily want to use this for, you know, this a similar type of video. But if I actually just scroll through more, we'll definitely find some great examples, right? Like this one for Neo. This one is okay, just $600, so it's not that much. Actually, okay, no, just kidding. It's like $18,900 total loss. So this is definitely a candidate for this type of video, right? So you can definitely highlight somebody, you know, buying a call option or something for Neo. But I've actually also found some other good ones. Like this one is again an AMC, which is a very viral stock name, right? And this is the exact same stock that they or this YouTube channel has based this video off of. So for example, AMC, or not this one, but AMC is a great one to base this off of. And you'll, for example, if you create a video on this, it could be somebody who got a negative 99.55 return on AMC, which is almost $27,000 just doing stupid stuff trading AMC, right? And some other examples I've actually found as well, like this one for Alibaba Stock, which is like a Chinese company. This one, let's see, this person lost like $17,000 on it. They put in like, let's see, like 30k or 40k in this. And another example would be this one here, where somebody was trading Robinhood stock, which is actually a very popular stock right now because it's a new one that's been on the market and a lot of people have been discussing and trading this stock. So Robinhood stock can be a great one to discuss in a video as well. So let's say, for example, we wanted to create a YouTube short based on Robinhood stock. For that, we can actually go and find a snapshot detailing the stock's information, right? Similar to, again, what this person has here. And this is actually the, again, Robinhood website or app. So you can either download the Robinhood app, it's completely free. You can download that and just take a screenshot with your phone and then upload that screenshot. You can actually use the YouTube app itself to edit the video with the screenshot, or you can use TikTok or something like that, right? TikTok actually has more features, whereas YouTube's is still in beta, but you can use either one that you prefer. Or alternatively, you can actually take a screenshot with your phone or your computer and then upload it onto something like Canva, right? Oh, and by the way, here I have, you know, Robinhood's information brought up because this is the actual Robinhood platform on my browser, right? So notice how it's the same name, right? The website is actually this exact stock that people are trading, and that's sort of why it's so popular, right? Because the website is really popular for people who are investors, retail investors. Anyway, since we have Robinhood stock information here, again, on the Robinhood website itself, I can again hit print screen on my keyboard, and I can just go over to canva.com, which actually allows for easy editing of videos now, which is a sort of newish feature in case you didn't know. I can literally just paste in my image. So notice how I've already done so, and I've actually sort of resized it and moved it accordingly to fit my dimensions. Make sure your dimensions are correct, because you want it to be longer for to be optimized for phones, right? And for YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts actually only supports longer videos, or the dimensions have to be long for a phone and for YouTube Shorts. So they don't actually accept, even if your video is really short, if it's like a horizontally design oriented video, they won't actually recognize that video as a YouTube short. So be sure to get your dimensions right. And what you want to do here is to not only make sure the stock name pops, so I might want to make it even bigger here just to make Robinhood markets really really clear here so people can see as my thumbnail. So the thing with YouTube Shorts is that if you don't create your own custom thumbnail, which you really don't have to, you can just use the one of your sort of stills on your video as a thumbnail, right? So you can very well just have the stock name be the headline, or again, whatever news headline you might want to screenshot. Basically just have the text be your thumbnail, right? And then what I can also do is to add some text onto here to complement that. So for example, if we look back at this video, this is exactly what they do, right? They have the AMC Entertainment name very, very large, and they also have this huge number here for how much this person made in terms of their stock gains. So what I can do here is on Canva, I can go to the text tab on the left and I can look for a font that I like. For instance, I can click on this one. This is sort of like better for gamers, I suppose, but I can look for a different one that I think might suit this a little bit better. I think this one might actually be pretty good. So I can just delete this and then just change it to however much this person gained, right? Let's say, Okay, we can do like this can be our headline, right? It's like $14,000 in 24 minutes. Really crazy gain for a short amount of time. And if it's too large like this, I just pasted it in. You can definitely shrink text, right? That's the convenience of using Canva. Very easy stuff. And here I also think the text can be spaced out a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is to make the top row a little bit larger to match the second row, so it looks a bit nicer, right? It looks neater. And then the next thing I want to do is to make the spacing a little bit larger so that people can see something like this. So it'll be a bit more clear. And if you want to add like an additional slide to your video, all you have to do is to copy or duplicate your first slide, right? So you want to go to the bottom left here to actually right-clicking your first page and then just hit duplicate, and it'll give you a second page. And by the way, you can also adjust the duration of each slide, right? So oops, I actually accidentally added another one. So you can actually adjust the duration of each slide. So if you wanted to do a 15-minute or 14-second video, 14 to 15-second video, I can just make the first half like 7 seconds, or I can make it a bit longer, right? I can make it like, let's say I make it 8 seconds, or whoops, I'll make the first one 8 seconds, and I'll make the second one 7 seconds, and that'll be 15 seconds. And then for my second slide, I can actually do something where I actually go over to, let's see, here rather, and I can actually take a screenshot. This is directly from Wall Street Bets, right? I can take a screenshot, again, paste this into my second slide, just Control V, and I can just, sorry, I'm using dual monitors, so there's like another screen that shows up, but all I have to do is adjust this accordingly, and then crop my image. Let's see. Yeah, something like that would usually suffice. I can just crop my image, and that'll be a very similar one to what this video has done with this stock gain right here, right? Alternatively, you can also just do this yourself, right? You can also, not necessarily screenshot, but just go onto something like Robinhood and just like hover over some of the price points that people might have bought or sold at, if you can actually obtain that information. And now the next major thing you want to do is to also add a voiceover onto your video, which can be done either using the YouTube app itself, which has its YouTube Shorts creation feature. So all you have to do is to upload your screenshot, for example, for Robinhood stock, and then you can just voice it over and also add text right on the app. Alternatively, you can also use TikTok, and I actually recommend using TikTok if you're going to be doing a lot of editing, because it does have quite a few features that make it really easy to create YouTube Shorts. And you can also double down to create a TikTok video and then download that TikTok video and upload it as a YouTube Short. So you're sort of creating videos for both platforms if you want. And alternatively, you can also use Canva, and all three actually allows you to do a voiceover, right? So with Canva, what you can do is on the top right, you want to actually click on the three dots here, and then you want to click on present and record, and then go to recording studio. And this, if you actually connect your microphone, will actually allow you to voice over the video as the video plays, right? So you can actually time what you're saying to what's shown on the video, which is very convenient. Now, when it comes to monetizing these types of videos, in addition to having the potential to qualify for the YouTube Shorts Fund, which is up to $10,000 per month, depending on the number of views you're getting on your videos, you can actually do also a special type of affiliate marketing, which is basically promoting other people's products for a commission. And depending on your niche, there are a lot of different types of affiliate products we can promote, but a special one that sort of only comes with personal finance and investing, this type of niche, is with, again, Robinhood and similar types of brokerage accounts, right? These typically have really appealing offers to people, where, for example, for Robinhood, you can actually, by the way, on the right here we have my own referral link, and what you can do is actually just put this link in the descriptions of your videos, and then when people sign up completely for free, by the way, which is why it's so effective, because people can get this stuff for free, and you can also get a benefit out of that, in terms of, for example, with Robinhood, whenever people sign up to Robinhood, which again is a free platform, so it's very easy for people to sign up because they don't have to buy anything, right? As opposed to normal, as is the case with normal affiliate marketing. So let's say they sign up for Robinhood for free, you can actually get a free stock to your account, right? And sometimes there are some limitations, like with Robinhood, you can get up to $500 in your account with these referrals. But also, in addition to that, oftentimes these brokerages, not just Robinhood, will have additional offerings, such as this summer giveaway here. So if you actually get people or refer people before this date, you can actually have a chance to earn even more free stocks through your account, right? And in addition to Robinhood, you can also use other platforms, right? So there's Webull is a pretty famous one, where you can actually get not only get people to sign up by offering them, or the platform will actually give people for free 2 free stocks if they sign up, but you actually give them an incentive to sign up with your referral link, which if they then sign up with your referral link, sorry for being confusing, I hope it's not.
That you could.
But if they sign up with your referral link, you can also get free stocks as well, right? So both of you get free stocks. The person who uses your link and signs up, they get free stocks from Webull, and if they sign up with your link, you also get some free stocks. So it's like a win-win situation and makes it really easy to promote, which is also why quite a few finance YouTubers you'll see are promoting, Webull and or Robinhood and or other platforms. There's another one called Public, which also does something similar, which you can check out as well. And besides this, if you're going to be doing some more crypto-related videos, which is also a very popular niche, you can definitely find popular subreddits about crypto as well. For example, on the right here, I can already find some crypto-themed games, for instance. But anyway, you can also promote, like Coinbase is a very popular platform to promote and become an affiliate for, right? When people sign up to Coinbase and deposit any money to start buying, cryptocurrencies with, you can actually earn free money to your account as well, right? Literally. And that is pretty much all I wanted to show you in today's video. Remember though, if you actually found the secret question in this video, you can actually answer in the comment section below to have a pretty good chance of winning my YouTube plus e-business course for free. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.